To grade in order of submission status, you need to go into Grades, and you'll need to get into the SpeedGrader. Once you're in the SpeedGrader, you'll want to go to the Settings icon here and look under Options, Sort Student List by student name alphabetical, or by the date they submitted the assignment, which sometimes I do want to do that because I do want to grade the one that was submitted first. But most of the time, it's very most convenient to simply do it by submission status, meaning that it's ready to be graded, and then save settings. And that setting is set for any time that you enter the SpeedGrader from then on. And that's all there is to it.